What's up guys, Jackie here. We're gonna open up the Ipsy of this month, which is October. Feels like it's almost November because it's literally the 26th. But let's just open it on up and get this Ipsy unbagging going. This is the bag. It has a little mask imprinted on this. I actually literally just opened the BOXYCHARM of this month, and the palette in there was also like a masquerade mask. So I guess that's like the cute side of Halloween, right? Like October is spooky, but the cute side of it is like wearing a masquerade mask, right? Anyway, this is actually really cute. Quality's okay, and the imprint looks really nice, so I do like this a lot. Let's go ahead and open this on up. There's something in bubble wrap, so I'm gonna get that out first. This concerns me. I think it looks bluish teal color. Is this an eyeshadow? This is from City Color. It's the Glow Pro Stellar Iridescent Highlight. It looks like it's in the shade Nebula, which is just blue. This kind of reminds me, oh, that felt crummy. Like, ooh, it looks purple. It looks so icy blue, like, but in real life, it looks almost like duochrome purple. That's actually really pretty. I don't know if I would use it as a highlight. Maybe a brow highlight. Maybe a highlight for Halloween. Alright, so next up in here is the... what is this? Oops. It is the Believe in Truth Pete Miracle Revital Eye Cream. Ooh, I love getting skincare. It seems pretty small. It says, does it say how much is in here? I don't think it does, but I love getting skincare because I only buy drugstore skincare for the most part. Like, I've tried what I've wanted to try in the high-end world, and I just like my drugstore ones. Like, I'll probably do a skincare routine sometime soon here. But that's good. I like eye cream. Next in here, there's a box. This is, looks like it's a blush. Who is this from? Space Case Cosmetics. Is this gonna be Nebula Blue again? Ooh, oh right, it's a blush. This also looks very gritty, but let's give it a swatch. Ooh, it looks gritty, but it feels buttery. And it's right up my alley for like blush colors. It's a little bit pink. I'd probably prefer if it was a little bit more like purpley pink for blush. Cooper, but stop walking. I need to put you in another room. Your toe's gonna hit that thing over there. Okay, next up in here, we're gonna do this pretty quickly because he is either gonna have to stay in one spot or cry in another room without me, or just walk around, which I think is what he's opting for, so. Okay, this is the Yensa Color and Face Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. It says 8 Super Blacks Essence. I don't know what that means. What is a Super Black Essence? Yeah, this is a primer. Even and brightens skin tone. Natural and radiant finish, blurs imperfections, enhances and prolongs foundation. I've never heard of this brand before. I've actually never heard of a lot of these brands. All three of these, no, I've heard of City Color, but the Space Case, no clue. Yensa, extra no clue. I can't open this thing. Okay, this is the primer here. Just gonna pop some on. It feels like a lot thicker than the other illuminating primers I have. So like the Physicians Formula one, the Becca Backlight Primer, the Catrice Nude Glow. Doesn't look super glowy, but it feels really nice. And last but not least in here is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm not a big fan of this. This is in the shade Light Sand. I wonder if that's way too light for me. But yeah, the Tarte Shape Tape is very dry of a consistency. So when I like a drier consistency concealer, I probably like the driest I'll go is the Catrice Liquid Camouflage, which is a little bit dry, but it's such a great, like, that's as dry as I want it to be. Like, I don't need it to be this freaking dry. But, you know, I'll use it. Maybe I'll pass it along to someone who it might fit the shade. I might pass it along to someone who might fit this shade a little bit better. But yeah, that's really exciting to get a Tarte Shape Tape in there. What's that noise? Tarte Shape Tape in there, because it is a really, like, hyped up product, so it's exciting to get that in there. And those were the 5 products in here. This was, I wouldn't say this is bad. I think we've been getting a lot of blushes in Ipsy lately, so I mean, it's whatever, you know. What am I most excited about? Eye cream and blush. This was really pretty, but eye cream and blush, definitely the most excited for. If you got an Ipsy bag this month, go ahead and like comment below what you got, because I really want to know what you got. I want to know if you got this like Nebula shade too, because that's blue. And just let me know what you were most excited to try out. Go ahead and check out more of my videos down below and 2 on the screen, and then if you want to subscribe, just hit right there, and I will see you guys next time.